Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to share our day with you, so stay tuned. Yesterday it started warming up. I took the dogs for a walk last night. There was still quite a bit of snow on the ground. Here's that. And then last night, about 10, it started raining, and I mean really raining, so a lot of it has melted now. We got the doors and windows open today because it's nice and warm. But yeah, this is what we're left with. So today Big Daddy is grilling and making us a spiral ham, and I am making cornbread, and I'm gonna make a Death by Chocolate cake. And Big Daddy's over there playing his game. Off work today. So we're gonna have black-eyed peas, rice, and some collard greens. The other thing that we are gonna do, hopefully, is put a dimmer switch on some lights. All these lights run on one circuit, and then these two at the very end, don't mind the puck lights in the middle, they're coming down. But these two up here have a separate switch right here.
I took switch over here for the lights up there. My wife, Bubbles, would like a dimmer switch on them so that they're not quite so bright in the evening, so we can have some ambiance. These directions say that the red is hot, which is good, and the white is a neutral, and the black is a ground. I don't have no place to put no ground, so okay. Both wires are the same color here, so I don't know if that's good or bad. Or either that means you can't mess up, one of the two.
So if I'm wrong, they're on.
Okay.
Switch works.
The dimmer ain't working there.
Okay, so a little update on our light situation. I did some YouTube searching and found a channel that said he used the black here and the red here. Anyway, Big Daddy fiddled with it, and he has hooked the red and white together on one side and the black on the other?
No, red single, black and white together.
Okay, red single, black and white together. But we don't have enough of those little nuts, so we're gonna go to the store and do that. And our dinner's ready. Looky here, looky here. I've got ham, black eyed peas, collard greens. I made some rice. There's my plate. Big Daddy's already eaten his. And I got the chocolate cake cooked, so I just have to decorate it. So anyway, we'll be back and we'll see you then.
Found out if I hook the black and the white wire together and then go to the one side that's the neutral or the ground for the light system. On a 12-volt light system, you have a positive and a negative. I don't know where they came up with this at, but anyway, I hooked the black and the white to one leg coming this way, and then the red just to the positive. Without a voltmeter or anything, you can figure this out. Just hit the switch, turn the switch on, and whichever one operates the lights like they're supposed to, it'll be the correct hookup. There it goes.
Yay! This was the old switch.
Yeah, and this is the new switch.
And it just has a slider on the side to change the dim. So we'll let Big Daddy finish with that. I gotta clean up the kitchen and decorate the cake. Okay, so I finished the cake. It's actually been kind of demolished. But Big Daddy and I enjoyed it, and I did take pictures before it was finished. Is that, or before we ate it, should I say? Is that? And now it's time for our evening lights and the ones we fixed today. So the first thing I do is shut all the blinds, and could I just say that it is so nice to be lighter in the evening because time changed today. So it's 7:15 and it's not completely dark outside, but I'm just gonna shut the blinds and do our evening thing. What are you doing over there? He's playing. What are you doing?
Trying to turn out that light with your selfie stick.
How's that working out? Can I help you?
Well, go ahead. I was trying to figure out if I had me a way I could do it without leaning up real far.
So this light and these two lights do not get switched on when we use the main panel. So I'm gonna go now and turn off the overhead lights, which is from here, and that is 246 lights that go out.
Ooh, the lights are out.
Yes. And then on the table we have two battery operated candles, which is really nice. We have a light back here that we purchased, and that's it, right? So let's try. Our TV is always out and swiveled towards us on the chairs, so I'm going to turn these lights on, and then I am going to dim them. Oh, there we go. So now we have dimmed lights by the television, which is really nice. That's what we had in our Sticks and Bricks. And all these other lights are turned off. And then we just have the little ball lights that we put up at Christmas and decided to keep. And that gives us a little light too. So, when we're sitting here watching TV at night, that gives us just a little more light in the living room, and I really like it. So we thank you for joining us today for a day in the life. We enjoyed our dinner. We've enjoyed our dessert. We hope you enjoyed everything. Thank you for watching. We'll be back soon with more videos, and y'all have a great day. Love y'all. Bye-bye.